Welcome, students. This tutorial is here to help guide you through the steps of working with Benchmark Education. First, you will log into My Portal, click on the Applications tab here, scroll down to locate Benchmark Education. You will then log in with your Google account. Here, you have arrived to the Benchmark Education dashboard. You can access your textbooks through the library here. You can view your assignments from your teachers here. You can view any messages from your teacher or students here. And you can also access your reading log. Let's first take a look at your assignments that your teacher might have assigned you. You might be assigned an ebook or a weekly presentation. You simply have to click on the book. Your teacher may have assigned many books in one assignment, but you can basically click here and click Open. The book will open. You can have it auto-read to you by clicking on the auto here and pressing play. You can also turn the pages down here by yourself. If your teacher has requested that you have closed reading notes, you can click here and you can insert your closed reading notes here. You can also annotate by clicking on the annotation tools here. If I wanted to add a text box or a sticky note or something else, I could simply click here. I can move the sticky note around or I can trash it. I can also access text box here and I can insert a text box somewhere. And I can also annotate by simply drawing with a pen. When I'm done with my work, it's important that you save your work. And you can go into the presentation mode or the edit mode. The presentation mode takes away any editing access to your book. The editing mode gives you the ability to add text or annotate. When you're done, click Done. You can review your assignment here. You can see your status here. If you're in progress, it'll show you this little clock. If you haven't started, it'll show you a purple X. And if you've completed, it will give you a completed status. So there are many assignments and they are listed by the due date here, and it will show you which teacher assigned it. Coming back to our Benchmark Advanced dashboard, I can click on the library and I can access my Benchmark Advanced textbook. I can choose my grade level, and I can choose between ebooks that are available, decodable text, e-pocket charts, a lesson level text, and many other resources. You can choose by unit. You can add any of these books if you like them to your bookshelf. So we're going to go ahead and add a bookshelf. And we can drag any of these books into our bookshelf. Going back to Benchmark Advanced, I may have messages in my inbox. And you can also look at your reading log. So any book that you have read will actually be listed here, and it will tell you your status, whether or not you finished it. So these books you can see I finished, these will finish later, and I can write a review when I finished a book. I can write my review, submit, and I can even add that book to my bookshelf there, the bookshelf review. Hopefully this lesson has helped you walk through all the steps of using Benchmark Advanced. If you have any additional questions, please contact your teacher. Thanks for watching.